Hello, this is Snap News. Welcome to TWTV. My name is Queen Moana. Residents of Adamorobe in the Ekwapim South municipality of the Eastern region have taken to the street to protest against the poor state of their roads. They expressed frustration over years of neglect and lack of action from authorities regarding the poor nature of their road. Speaking to the media, the residents shared how the bad roads are disrupting their daily lives and affecting their livelihoods, and have vowed not to vote if the government does not address the issue, chanting, "No road, no votes." We are committed to our demand for road repairs. The red bands you see signify that we are preparing for a major demonstration if no action is taken. If the government does not act soon and bring ballot boxes, we will not participate in the voting process, residents said. They added that although drivers in the area try to help, transportation costs are extremely high, therefore pleading with the government to fix their roads. They claim Adamorobe is an NPP stronghold, but the government has neglected them. The women complain that their husbands cannot perform in bed due to the bad nature of their roads.
Sister Binukunu, Wako, Baby, sorry, Memendau, Apon, Amadia Chukosiada, Boy Yare, Wayarin, Miam, Peka, and so ato, a quanin yet. Yakofa, boy, better come, Valley View, near Sadinoko, when no Valley View, Memendau, ya, when no Valley View, and we and almost Sandin call, Dodo Akoto watching. Near one near now, yes, I say, I gay yawi. Wawu busumi mi sakura mai obeden didi akufo ado abrabo aye wo mu yi woni ni ma a nani kunu kura ate ho no wo hu ano na nani kunu ni ho nye ya maba ye wo kromia yitu wo kromia beble ama ye nya adwuma anye pia otakura ye betuma ton drink ye betuma ton ye nya adwuma anye hwe basket ya meshi meti with tomatoes me nante wo ebri mountains ansana makoton ansana masana nante wa ba ifse ka nya adwuma wa ha moto no so emfa nti jesa me hia na me de akro nti me sra MP no wa ha ni se onye kwan ma yen na yutu na ewo kromi ya yenso yenya adwuma na yenye efise ukwamadi na gas yi woton pia water drink wodidi wode hwe wo ma no mu ne ade ama egu kromi ya yenya adwuma bia anye kromi ya yutu wa ha papa nso yenya adwuma bia anye en na me sra se o me ye kwan ma yen yenso yenya adwuma na yenye tang ewo kromi ya na kwan ni de nyenyenyenye tro ni kurom ya taxi nsu ya wo kurom afa ha kwa aburi waje obeye 1 million adwuma bia nsu ni kurom anti ya sira mo kwan won hwe no mayen na won fa adwuma mra kurom ha mama ba ne mranten esanse adwuma ni hanti akoromfo su kum yen wo da wo na waso wo dam na waso ba ko nsu wa aduo ti ya sira mo school dan so wo kurom abank school ba ko pe na wo kurom ga mo hwe no mbasi presby basiri school ba ko fa nka ho mayen ya sira mo pa esanse Anglican school classroom ba ko pe nipa ba 70 negu wo ya mobo yenkum sisi nyina ye won ya ye ni feelings bi because all the seconds nti kwan no de pa cho hia ye pa wo ko madina because of fed so bi antimi ko madina bi don't fed no bo ye de se mi ko mi krom nsam he ya high major road nka omo ye kwan na mejira he ya ma fans am ka me ko mi krom now because of kwan nti mentimi nko fed no bo ye de nti no ye pa mo cho kwan de hu hia ye pa so ma be ye kwan na ma ye dia this year de obi ampi abonti ye nyina be hye dem wo be to aba bia to aba because kwan na high yenkum kwa adwuma enzo mba weekend because of road ninye nti oba ne ka be sei nti yenkum ba weekend hwe weather way na me nko na me da because of road nti me kunu ba weekend na me kunu ba nti road ne de hu hia ye pa hu hia major road kese omo ye adwuma be ba kro ni mo bia benya bia ye nti enu pe ne ye ha wo krom ha
Ejimble Labi, who is the Adamorobe Jatuahini, also added his voice warning the government if they fail not to do the roads in their area, they would not allow any politicians to bring ballot boxes coming December 7th general elections.
Honorable no na hia bebre oba ye nchen ye kono ho no office okwan ye de ato na nim atu since 2020 wo hye ye mbo ebe si ne wo ye ho hwe na se wo de mfiri abakwan so wo ye ho hwe ye kan no pra abufu nti won asa ba sesa mfiri no e de ko and kwari ni hwe afi Adamorobe kosi abu just 7.5 kilometers mfi bebrebe ne papa be di yen so omo aye wo hwe ho nti ye ka kire nana akufu aban say omo modin suma na agbofo na wo mra mehwe kwa na fi say wo se won ayo kwa na 100% aye completed enso yen no kware mo mo ba mo nitira ba be hu bi nti ye ka kire aban na wo mra meyo kwan man ansana mre no adua obeto aban enye saade a yan se sawa aban kura pa yan to ma won ye be yi won so won wo ka se won yan demand to ama wana se yan ye bibia won ma yan kwan na man enfa yan ho de nsu an ye de yaso ye de kokrobeti ebe yi no afi aban no so ti ma asama anim no won fi ase kan ye ne e ma yan kura ye nipa ba ko fre ne du na na di onu na no papa obi amu akasa won ma se o ma wo ba chi no kwai o ma ba chi koto self ma de chen so na wo ko yi ni bai okwan ya kan wa se ma fi bebre ni yesa abatu ni nti hwe afi nkran eko afi ha konkran okwan tia ye wo akwapim south hwe afi ha eko ebri just 7.5 kilometers won ye okwan ma ye nti den na wo pese wo kire yen ana yan dia ka Ghana no ye ka ho ye to aba ye tu ya to nti se wan mo ya ndia yen so yen to aba no ma wo.
Moving on to our next story, aggrieved drivers and residents of a farming community in Setre Kumawu district of Ashanti region are up in arms with the contractor who is responsible for the construction of asphalt road from Bodomase to Russell communities. Speaking in an interview with our reporter, Samuel Oferibuati, the resident noted they find it difficult to travel in and out of their communities, which according to them poses danger to their health and life. Assembly member for Kumawu Russell was questioned as to why the project has been abandoned for the past month after Kumawu constituency parliamentary by-election was held. He indicated that the contractor will soon come back to the site to complete the project before December this year. On their part, the residents and drivers expressed their worries that the situation is affecting them negatively, especially their daily activities, and have threatened to embark on serious demonstration against the district chief executive, Honorable Samuel Ade Ejikum, the Member of Parliament, Honorable Ernest Yao Enim, and the ruling NPP government should they fail to attend to their needs.
Kane fura na tesai nti ehia se omobe kwano mai ade ehia pa no ewie dia da fe na adaba fo wa ha ne ho ato yesrew aban yesrew mpanimfo wo krom ha adaba fo wa na awtimi no bia ye totai na awtimi no bia ye totai so the aduma ye no fa so bia ni so maye evije sika wo benya no adebato wa ye bipe na ya kototai yesre aban ni mpanimfo se o mo boduna so ma be afa no amaye
na be na sentem kakrebi ye no mo ye so ma be ye kwan na maye no kre ye ditu so ma be ye kwan na maye ye ni je na emra o mudi machines be si kwan so eye aduma ni bi no ehun se e kwan no metimi aye de hu ya ni se o mudi machine be si so agriculture ni nyina fi kwan so
kano ekwa na ache asan ene ye ni mai ye kombe senan kano afwa na saati asan iti asa na ado ase ye swan wada ye wo chire ye awo ka ye makora wo freka bia si boduma se so ma ekwa ne nye ampa so kwa ne nye
sese ayam na yentimi mfaso ye taisi pa ya na papa ndi ye sere omwa se omunya nuru ha ommakete pra mesiesie kwa no so mai ni ntimi nya duma na kebra ye brehe ayi edi pipa ye nim last time edi pipa ye nim ndi ye bre edi omwa ye ni ase ombe kase contractor na odi kete pra mesiesie be pono so enu ani hia nya sa dia adwuma de be break ya to hono
hu mo bra wododum ye ama enne ye metimi ko free education no na da ma womwaye na ye kwa no wo ekode nam so womwaye na ye ntimi ye ma no so ntimi mfa so
ko da nwumra ntimi na adecha hunam nyina yo ya ye kwa ntena wona e ko tare kama ana mo die mika na mo se mo bedum ye ma ba be ya mai ba be ya trafe de mo yi mani ama ha ne de ma ya de be che no ana be du me bi na si nyina na ewu e di free that dem ho titru ekosi bodumase mission die ani wo kaka no ya me ani wachi a tete wo ba shon.
And that will be all for Snap News on TWTV. My name is Queen Moana. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely evening.